Welcome. In this quick tutorial for new customers, we'll walk you through creating an account on HighSpeako's website. First, begin by opening your browser and going to www.highspeako.com. On HighSpeako's homepage, navigate to the right side and click on My Account. Here, you can create an account if you are an existing customer, meaning you currently have an account in our internal system, or you can set up an account if you are a new customer. Next, enter your first and last name as well as your email address, then check the box below to confirm you are not a bot, and then click Submit. The next screen will provide information about the next steps. You should receive an email from our accounts receivable team. Please check your junk or spam folder just in case. If you don't receive an email, you can select to resend it. You also have the option to change your email address if you wish. Here is an example of the email sent from our accounts receivables team. We are requesting you to verify your email address. Please click the link provided. When you verify your email address, you will need to complete a few more details to complete your registration for the website. Your name and email address will pre-populate. Therefore, you can begin to create a password and confirm that password. Please enter your company's name along with the other requested information, such as the company phone number and address. Next, let us know how you heard about our company and provide your primary business type. You will see a checkbox below. You can choose to leave it checked or unchecked. If you leave it checked, you will receive exclusive offers and information about our products and services. Finally, please confirm that you accept our terms and conditions, and then select Create Web Account. Now you will receive a thank you for creating an account and submitting your registration. If you are an existing customer, we will contact you within 1 to 2 business days to begin establishing your online account. If you are not currently a customer, we will contact you to begin the process of setting up your account. You will receive a thank you email for registering for an account. Your account is not active until processed through accounts receivable. Once the registration is complete through our system, you can use your account to track order status, view your account history, and much more. If you are an existing customer, your product pricing terms and delivery options will be available after your account information has been verified. In your My Account page, I'm going to walk you through some of the key features. There are a lot of things you can do here, but for now, I'll highlight just a few that can make managing your online orders faster and easier. You have quick access to view recent orders, manage your quotes, and explore many additional features. Several tools are available to personalize your experience. In the Shopping Tools section, select Manage Favorite Links and click the star next to the shopping tools you'd like to add to your favorites list under your profile. After selecting your favorites, click Done. Let's dive into View Invoices and Shipments. You can search by invoice number, order number, or PO number. You can also narrow your search by date, or, if you have multiple locations, by ship to location. If needed, you have the option to export the invoice list to an Excel spreadsheet. Returning to the My Account homepage, you'll find frequently purchased items. This section highlights the products you buy most often, allowing you to quickly add them to your favorites list. It makes reordering simple by letting you create order templates or wish lists. Let's move on to order templates. If you frequently order the same items, you can save them to an order template. Start by selecting New Template and naming the template for quick filtering. Add one item at a time by selecting Add an Item and typing in the part number. If there are multiple variations, you'll see the options and can select the correct one for your order, then add the next item if needed. To add several items at once, select Add Multiple. You can filter results by selecting these options here to find the exact match or to make sure we include duplicates if needed. When entering multiple items, each part number and quantity should be on its own line. If no quantity is listed, the minimum quantity will be added by default. Copy and paste your list from a spreadsheet or another source, then select Add Items. If multiple matches exist, you'll be prompted to select the correct item. If you don't make a selection, the item will be skipped. After confirming your selections, they will be listed here. Provide a description for the template and click Save. You can now add all items to your cart or create a quote directly from the template, saving time. Next, review your cart. You'll see pricing information as well as stock status. You can either proceed to checkout immediately or save the cart by select Save Cart and naming it. Save carts can be found under Shopping Tools in the Save Cart section. Any previously saved carts will also be listed here. These are just a few of the tools available in your account to help save time and stay organized. Feel free to explore even more features whenever you're ready. Thanks for choosing Hi-Speako. We're here to make doing business with us as easy as possible. If you have any further questions about setting up your account, please contact us at 1-800-234-1041 or email us at ecommerce@hispeako.com.